So whenever I post tapping videos, they get such a lovely warm response. And when I'm thinking about content to share and what will really serve as community, it's about raising our vibrations. The higher our vibration, the less susceptible we are to anxiety, depression, illness, fear, etc., etc. And the more likely we are to manifest the life we want. And I've learned in my journey working with very powerful South American shaman that the best way to get to this place is through continued gratitude. So how about a little tapping meditation for gratitude? Okay, so a reminder that the points we tap on are the eyebrow, side of the eye, under the nose, chin, collarbone, under the arm, and crown of the head. And you can use one hand or two hands, whatever feels best, just be intuitively guided with it. So have a think about how challenging it is for you to feel gratitude on a scale of 1 to 10. So 10 being the most grateful and 1 not feeling very grateful at all. So just take inventory of that, and we will use this tapping meditation to help you get to a place where you feel more easily able to reach a deeper and more genuine state of gratitude. So just take a breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And let's start with the setup statement where we tap the karate chop point. And I'll leave a little pause after each statement so you can repeat after me. Even though I don't often feel consciously grateful, I make a choice to take a breath and be grateful now. Even though I sometimes put my focus on the things I don't have, I choose to surrender in gratitude for all I do have. Eyebrow. It's easier for me to focus on the things I don't have. Side of the eye. Because life seems so full of challenges. Under the eye. Sometimes it's overwhelming. Under the nose, and focusing on it sometimes feels productive. Chin, but I know it will benefit me more to start focusing my energy on all I do have. Collarbone, my life is not exactly as I would choose. Underarm, but that's also okay. The universe has a plan for me. Crown of the head. I can do so much better when I surrender to what is and practice gratitude. Now, don't worry about saying anything else out loud. Simply just follow where I'm going with the tapping and do the same while I guide you through a little meditation. And you can just allow your mind to follow my words. I have so much to be grateful for. Things I may usually take for granted. I can be grateful for the food I eat that is readily available to me every day. For the clean water I get to drink and wash in. I can choose to be grateful for the people around me who love me. And the trees and the plants and the sun and the rain and all the other parts of nature that nourish me. Even if there are parts of my body that don't work optimally, I can be grateful for them. And even show gratitude for any dis-ease guiding me further towards my purpose. Life doesn't always go the way I expect it to. But I can move into the inner knowing that no one else's life does. The universe has plans for us that we cannot foresee. And I am a vessel incarnated here right now to serve a deep purpose. For that reason, I know I can move into a place of complete surrender, trusting that all that happens is not happening to me, but for me. That I can be grateful for every experience that leads me further to my truth, knowing that the lessons and growth are often disguised as adversity. I know that moving into a place of gratitude allows me to be happy, and I can create that for myself now, despite external circumstances. Okay, so take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just check in with yourself now about where on the scale your gratitude now stands. And you can do this for yourself anytime you're feeling low or anxious or fearful, just to bring you back to that place of inner calm. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Love to you all.